All right, changes of the theory over time. So, this theory really emphasizes health promotion and disease prevention. And I feel like that's kind of become a huge focus in today's healthcare world. No longer are we really wanting to manage a disease, we want to prevent the disease with individuals. So, like, for example, I work for Intermountain Healthcare, and their theme or slogan is helping people live the healthiest lives possible. So, we're really turning more towards disease prevention instead of management. And I think that Henderson's theory really is pivotal in that change. As you can see, the theme really throughout it is health promotion. Also, the theory promotes independence and individuality, which really is a goal for every patient in healthcare, I believe. I don't can't think of a single patient I've ever come across where the goal wasn't to help the patient reach independence when they discharge home. So no matter what we do as caregivers, if we're nurses or respiratory therapists or doctors or whatever, our whole goal is to help the individual become as independent as possible. And Henderson's theory really reflects that. Also, the 14 components that Henderson developed, I can see commonly are goals for patients. So, for example, all of our patients that come into the hospital, one of our goals by discharge is that we want them to breathe normally. So we want them on room air or nasal cannula as soon as possible, and we want them to eventually achieve optimal respiratory function. And breathing normally is one of the 14 components that Henderson developed. So I can see that some of these components can definitely be goals that we try to achieve with our patients. So definitely Henderson's need theory is very prevalent in today's world and has been modified to fit the challenges that we face now.